and welcome to Bank Bazaar. Are you planning to go on your dream vacation to your favorite foreign country, or are you traveling abroad for some work purposes? If yes, we would want you to know the implications of using credit card for international transactions. Every dollar you spend abroad using credit card attracts 20% TCS, that is tax collected at source. This is as per the RBI guidelines under Liberalized Remittance Scheme LRS. सबसे पहले ये समझते हैं कि what is TCS, तब आगे बढ़ेंगे. Well, TCS, that is tax collected at source, is a tax which is collected by the seller from the buyer at the time of purchase of specified goods. This tax is collected under Income Tax Act and is levied only when certain conditions are fulfilled, including international transactions. अब आते हैं मुद्दे की बात पर. When you use your credit card for any international transaction, the financial institution or the credit card issuing company collects TCS at the specified rate on the transaction amount. Now let's talk about that when this TCS is applicable to the international transactions done by credit card. Well, this TCS is only levied once you cross a certain threshold limit on international transactions using your credit card. And that threshold limit is rupees 7 lakhs per financial year. Now you must be thinking कि कितना TCS देना पड़ेगा? थोड़ा calculation समझ लेते हैं. Well, I have already mentioned that the TCS rate applicable on such transactions is 20%. That means any expenses exceeding rupees 7 lakhs, whether it is for travel, hotel bookings or general purchases, is subject to 20% TCS. यहाँ एक छोटा सा एक्सेप्शन भी है. अगर आप ये अमाउंट मेडिकल या एजुकेशनल पर्पसेस के लिए यूज होता है तो वहां TCS इज ओनली 5%. और सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं, दिस रूल ऑल्सो अप्लाइज टू फॉरेन करेंसी ट्रांजैक्शंस डन ऑनलाइन टू एनी फॉरेन मर्चेंट. If you make online purchases from international websites and pay them by using your credit card, that also amounts to international transactions done using credit card and will be subject to 20% TCS. Here's the most important point to note. The TCS collected by the bank will be given to you as a credit and can be adjusted towards quarterly advance tax liability or your annual income tax liability. Now, here are some smart tips how you can lower this burden on you. Number 1. 7 lakh limit is not applicable per individual credit card. Rather, it is per person. Therefore, it will be smart enough if you divide the expenses between all the family members so that just one of you doesn't have to bear the burden. Number 2, you can ask your friends or family abroad to pay for those expenses that you are doing in a foreign country and you can reimburse them in cash later. Last but not the least, take the screenshot of this table to understand this rule in a simplified way and share this video with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.